Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most hilarious and unexpected comebacks in the Linux world. Hannah Montana Linux is officially back in 2026 and it's better than ever. For anyone who wasn't around in 2009, Hannah Montana Linux was a real fully functional operating system based on Kubuntu 9.04 with KDE 4.2. It was absolutely drenched in hot pink Disney Channel branding, complete with Hannah Montana wallpapers, icons, and that iconic glitter effect. What started as a fun joke quickly became one of the most legendary Linux memes of all time. People still talk about it today, and for years we thought we'd never see a proper revival. But then a talented developer and YouTuber named Noah Cagle stepped up and brought this meme back to life. He built Hannah Montana Linux 26 on a solid modern foundation, Debian 13, with non-free repositories enabled right from the start so you can easily install proprietary drivers. The whole visual makeover happens inside KDE Plasma 6. Noah carefully cloned the Breeze theme, adjusted the colors to that perfect pretty pink shade, recreated the classic 2009 wallpaper in widescreen resolution with the glitter and Hannah silhouette, and even made a custom start menu icon using the Hannah Montana logo. The panel gets its own pink treatment too, and everything is bundled neatly into a global theme for easy application. They also ditched the default Debian installer in favor of a beautifully customized Calamares installer that matches the rest of the theme perfectly, and it doesn't stop there. If you have an older or low RAM machine, there's Hannah Montana Linux 26 Lite, which switches to the lightweight LXQT desktop and Lite DM display manager. It runs smoothly on much less hardware while still keeping that fun pink charm. For those who already love Plasma and just want the look, without a full reinstall, Noah released a standalone Hannah Montana KDE theme on its own GitLab repository that you can install right away. You can grab the latest ISO from Noah's GitLab page. I've put the direct link in the description below. This project is clearly a passion project, so it's perfect for distro hopping, taking screenshots, and having fun, but keep your expectations in check if you want to use it as a daily driver long term. Still, the fact that someone put in so much effort to revive this 17-year-old meme with modern tools and a clean Debian base is genuinely awesome and shows how creative and fun the Linux community can be. So what do you think? Would you actually boot up Hannah Montana Linux, even for a weekend? Would you rock the full pink desktop or just try the theme? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every single one. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more fun and interesting Linux content, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, stay pink, and I'll see you in the next one.